my name is Margot. I'm an ocean lover, a diving instructor, and I visit and rate diving centers for Do Dive. In today's video, we are about to dive with Deep South Divers. We are located in Marsa Alam along the Red Sea coast. I hope today we will be luckier to see the dugongs. Ready for action! Today we dove with Deep South Divers, which was a really nice diving center. We met a really nice, friendly, helpful staff there. Special mention to the Bedouin's Coffee at the end of the day, which was really cool to have. We dove twice on the same dive site, which was Marsa Igla. Unfortunately, we didn't see any dugongs. I'm sad. Maybe one day. finger crossed. Watch this video until the end to see the complete rates of this diving center, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join us on our next episode, and I see you later!